Hi, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to move Rhino to Grasshopper. As you know, this is a service, right? You want to rebuild the service a little bit, have more points down there. Um, Maybe not 10, let's make it 8. 8 preview. So I have some points, and then I could just make some changes on the service, make them a little bit. So we have a service. Once you have a service in the right now, usually in the real project, you will, people will give you a service, okay, so you can work on it. Okay, pretty good. So once you have this service, the other next step is you want to create a contour lines, right? You just go to front view, you use this contour line tool, this contour, and you select the objects, you right click, and you draw a vertical plane, so they will draw contours horizontally. Okay, see here, this is the contours I got. Okay, you could even change. I don't think I have enough, so I will do it again. I'll draw a plane down here, and right now the distance between contours is 1. Let me change to 0.5. Click OK. So I have more contour lines. Perfect. So I have these contour lines. Next step is you can just delete this service, just keep the lines. Okay, so I just select the lines, I go to file and export selected, and make sure you export to DWG file, which is you know um, civil3d can tell. Save to downloads and save the test. Now click save. Everything's good. Default, you click OK. So then you will have, a DWG file. Okay, well, you can just double click it. You can open this file in civil3d, right? And in civil3d, it will show up the contour lines for you. Good. Okay. So see here, these are the contour lines. It shows was black. So see here, it shows up as black. Let me change color for it. Just make it more easy to tell. Well, change the color. So, and you can tell it's here. If you have over here, you can see they have elevations. Okay, you can see this. You can see here. They have elevations. But this is not a civil3d file. You can see the layers. You only have 2 layers. So this is actually an AutoCAD file. So what we're gonna do is you just click this new drawing. Once you click, you'll see the new file we created is a civil3d file. Okay, and then you just simply right click and copy. Go to clipboard and copy. So you can copy them. Once you copy them, you just right click and you can open the grid. So I know which is the original points. You can go to paste. So you can see here, this is what I got. Okay, so you got all these lines, and you can see the sides of the lines. So let me draw a line. See here, so here to here is 40. Let me see here to here is close to 40. So they're in the same scale. All right. So which is right. So after you have the contour lines, you can easily create service for it. And just name it service. Click OK, and I can add contours down there. Click add. Click OK. So I have a service created. So that's usually how this is a workflow when how we work between civil3d and Rhino. All right. So that's this. Just remember this approach. I'll see you next time.